butterfly, fluttering its wings. C is for cat, with its whiskers so neat. D is for duck, quacking as it sings. E is for elephant, big and so grand. F is for frog, hopping on the land. G is for giraffe, tall and so high. H is for hippo, splashing nearby. I is for igloo, cold in the snow. J is for jellyfish, gliding below. K is for kangaroo, jumping with glee. L is for lion, king of the tree. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for nest, where baby birds sleep with ease. O is for octopus, with arms all around. P is for penguin, waddling on the ground. Q is for queen, in a palace so grand. R is for rabbit, hopping through the sand. S is for sun, shining bright in the sky. T is for turtle, crawling slowly by. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for volcano, reaching up high. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone, playing merrily. Y is for yo-yo, up and down it goes. Z is for zebra, with stripes in neat rows. Now we've sung the alphabet from A to Z. Learning letters can be fun, as easy as can be.